Morning, my dear children. Welcome to today's maths class, chapter 4, lines and angles. So today we are going to discuss exercise 4.4, last sum. So let us move to the sum, children. In the given figure, angle x is equal to 62 degrees. Angle xyz is equal to 54 degrees. In triangle XYZ, if YO and ZO are the bisectors of triangle XYZ and angle XZY respectively, find angle OZY and angle YOZ. So let you see the figure here, children, and let us see what they have given in the question. So in triangle XYZ, okay, in triangle XYZ, angle X they have given it as 62 degrees. And here angle Y they have given 54 degrees, means XYZ. XYZ they have given 54 degrees. And next what they have given, YO is OY is a bisector of angle XYZ. As OY is a bisector of XYZ, angle XYO, this angle is equal to ZYO, this angle. These two angles will be equal as OY is a bisector. Next, here also they have given OZ is a bisector of XZY. So, this angle will be equal to this angle. What? XZO will be equal to YZO. These two angles will be equal. So, now you have to find out OZY. OZY. This angle you have to find. This angle, see, I have kept the question mark there. That angle you have to find. And angle YOZ. Angle O you have to find here. So let us move to the solution, children. So what they have given in the question, angle x is equal to 62 degrees and angle y is equal to 54 degrees, means angle xyz is equal to 54 degrees. So here again they have given YO and ZO. YO is a bisector of angle XYZ and ZO is a bisector of XZY. So you have to find out the value of YOZ and YOZ and ZOY. These two angles you have to find it out. So we have to, in a triangle XYZ, they have given angle x is equal to 62 degrees, angle y is equal to 54 degrees, when we have to find out the value of angle z. So in triangle XYZ, we can use here some property, children. Okay, angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degrees. So angle x plus angle y we can write it as xyz plus angle z we can write it as angle yzx, which is equal to 180 degrees. The reason there is some property. Okay. So angle x how much they have given? 62 degrees. Angle y how much they have given? 54 degrees. Plus angle yzx is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us add 62 degrees plus 54 degrees. You will get 116 degrees plus angle yzx is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle yzx is equal to, let us transpose 116 degrees to the either side. Then angle yzx is equal to 180 degrees minus 116 degrees. So angle yzx is equal to 64 degrees. So angle z you got here it as 64 degrees. So now let us find OYZ. OYZ and OZY. Okay, this angle and this angle we have to find it out. So, to find OYZ and OZY, let us consider a triangle OYZ. This triangle, let us consider this triangle. Okay. So, what they have given in the question, children? OY is a bisector of XYZ, isn't it? So, angle OYZ is equal to half of XYZ. Bisector means divides the angle into two equal halves. OY is a bisector of XYZ. So, to find only this angle OYZ, then how can you write angle OYZ is equal to half of XYZ? So, half of XYZ is how much? Full angle, how much you got? 54 degrees. So, 1 by 2 into 54, if you cancel, 2 1s are 2, 27s are 54. So, OYZ is equal to 27 degrees. Here the reason is OY is a bisector of triangle XYZ. Similarly, look at the second figure here, children. Now we will find out the angle of OZY. This angle we will find. Similarly, you have to do the same thing, children. So, OZY is equal to half of XZY, because OZ is a bisector of OZY. See the marking I have given here. OZ is a bisector of OZY. So, OZY is equal to half of angle XZY. That is equal to half into 64 degrees. So, if you cancel it, 2 1s are 2, 32s are 64. You got angle OZY is equal to 32 degrees. So, now children, we got here in triangle OYZ, angle Y we got it as 27 degrees and angle Z we got it as 32 degrees. Now, we have to find out the value of angle O, the measure of angle O. Okay, children, now we got angle Y as 27 degrees and angle Z has 32 degrees. Now, we have to find out the angle O. So, let us consider a triangle OYZ. Let us consider this triangle OYZ. Now, angle O plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degrees. Angle, reason what there, children? Angle sum property. So, angle Y, how can you write here? Angle OYZ plus angle Z, how can you write there? OZY plus angle O, how can you write there? Angle YOZ, which is equal to 180 degrees. So, OYZ how much you got? 27 degrees plus OZY you got has 32 degrees plus angle YOZ is equal to 180 degrees. So, 27 plus 32 degrees is 59 degrees. 59 degrees plus angle YOZ is equal to 180 degrees. Now, let us transpose 59 to the either side. So, angle YOZ is equal to 180 degrees minus 59 degrees. So, angle YOZ is equal to 121 degrees. So, in the question what they have asked us to find, children, angle YOZ, this angle they have asked to find, we got it as 121 degrees and angle OZY, this angle OZY, we got it as 32 degrees. So, children, with this we end to chapter 4, lines and angles. So, one more thing you listen, children. You need not prepare full chapter, children. From chapter 4, lines and angles, from exercise 4.1, 1 to 3 sums are there for the exam. Okay. Exercise 4.2, 1 to 6 sums. Exercise 4.3, 1 to 9 sums. And exercise 4.4, 1 to 9 sums. So, children, everyone you note down in your maths classwork. What I have given all this, you note down in your maths classwork. Only these sums you have to prepare for your exam. And I hope so everyone have kept a separate maths classwork. So if you don't have, from now onwards, keep separate maths classwork and continue the sums in the classwork. And one more thing, children, after we have completed chapter 4 by this sum today, you have 2 revisions from this chapter and 1 revision test. So practice only these sums for your test. And listen, children, only this is there in lines and angles chapter. Only these sums are there from this chapter. Okay, children, thank you and have a good day.